guys, Tyler here from High Octane. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but today I'm in my school's welding shop, and I'll explain more of that in another video, but I'm actually going to be taking my F2 thrust pipe. As you can see here, I've cut off the end of it, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking one of these stock mufflers, taking the tip off, making a custom tip, but I'm going to weld it right here. So today we're using a MIG machine just to get it done quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this off and make sure that the metal can accept contact. So I got to get the paint off here, probably along the bottom, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I've got everything set up. I'm actually going to have to weld this sideways because that's the only way I can get ground to the actual, there we go, focus, to the actual piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end up taking this, setting it right where it needs to go, and going to go ahead and weld it. Alright, got it tacked on there, so let's go ahead and weld. Oh, no fire. No fire. Fire ban. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, sweet. Well, not the best weld, but we now have, get this off the freaking clamp there with one hand. Welded exhaust. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to take that cap off, and that's how it's going to sit on the bike. So hope that works out pretty well, and I'll do an update video when I get home. So yeah.